And his video the sprint race for me, it was a shame for many, many drivers. It was a crying shame for this man. If there's not scoring points, Sid Silverstone, when he got his first podium in Formula One after many, many years of trying, and he absolutely deserves the points after what was a brilliant qualifying, but thanks to nothing for the sprint race. So come on, Nico, let's do it again today.
Yeah, that was Irish story, wasn't it, for any drivers? Flat out return to this little apex as well. In fact, all I see is having to slow down perhaps a little bit more in the early phases than we'll see when we're on board of Harry, for example, this section. But obviously, the front slowing a blind 9, 10 you don't even ever see. Just kind of know where to turn the wheel. You brake slightly into a hill there, turn the car, very ponderous it was, waiting for the front to get it around that corner, and then up the right, so it's like a big banana this straight, but a little crest, and it's super bumpy, under braking. You're going to get slow down and turn hard left, leave that curve, because you've got to sweep across the road. This is a key area then. Quite technical, very tricky.
Tyres, as Max Verstappen rounds the final corner, now from the aggressive corner goes quickest by 10.5 from Fernando Alonso. George Russell in third, Kimi Antonelli currently fourth ahead of Liam Lawson. Franco Colapinto slows to the 10th line so far, and down in 10th place to round out qualifying team at Pierre Gasly for the last 3 Grand Prix. Charles Leclerc finds pace. 6/100ths of a second clear on Max Verstappen.
Nothing on new tyres, yeah.
Yes, very little bit deep with the horses.
Right now, everybody's got on board with it, sort of have to wait for the front to grip up with their a little bit more speed. That's still what it can do. Dan into the door, there's a thing. So, yeah, okay. With the understeer that generates the oversteer, you slide wide, you have to pick up the throttle. Next thing is the power. Quite often, oversteer generates.
What's happening, Biles? Hey, what's happening, boy? Any more cheeky boy? Hey, little cheeky boy?